Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Tales Time. In this video you will see some interesting things about Istanbul, and which places you should visit, if you travel to this beautiful city. Istanbul is the only city in the world that straddles two continents, Asia and Europe. The division between Europe and Asia is a natural one, the Bosphorus Strait passing between the Black Sea and the Sea of Marmara. Istanbul evokes immediately a rich imagery of opulent culture, architecture straight from the fairy tales, exotic customs and the scent of spices. Everything about this city is so fascinating. So, these are the 5 best places to see in Istanbul. Number 1, Sultan Ahmed Mosque. Istanbul has 3,113 mosques. The biggest one is the splendid Sultan Ahmed Mosque, which is also known as Blue Mosque. It was constructed between 1609 and 1616 during the rule of Ahmed I. The mosque has 5 main domes, 6 minarets, and 8 secondary domes. The upper area is decorated with approximately 20,000 hand-painted glassy ceramics. Although it is one of Istanbul's most popular sites, it is still a working mosque, and is therefore closes for 90 minutes to tourists at each prayer time. Number 2, Hagia Sophia. Hagia Sophia is among Istanbul's most famous and fascinating monuments. It was first a church, built in 537, and much later, in 1453, in the times of the Ottoman Empire, it was converted into a mosque. In 1934, Turkish President Kemal Ataturk secularized the building, and it was made into a museum. On July 2020, a Turkish court annulled the 1934 verdict by Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, and Hagia Sophia is converted into mosque again. Today Hagia Sophia is Turkey's most popular tourist site, attracting more than 3.7 million visitors a year. Number 3, the Grand Bazaar. The Grand Bazaar is the oldest and largest covered market, and one of the first shopping malls of the world. Every day, thousands of people, locals and travelers visit this market. Built in 1456, it counts more than 4,000 stores, distributed along 64 covered streets, and among them 2 mosques, 4 fountains, restaurants, cafes and 22 old gates. You'll never possibly be able to explore it all, but that doesn't keep people from trying. Number 4, Topkapi Palace. Topkapi Palace is rightfully a sight you can't afford to miss while in Istanbul. This complex of kiosks and pavilions contained by 4 lush green courtyards is where generations of sultans had their principal residence for almost half a century. Number 5, the Galata Tower. Originally named the Tower of Christ, the Galata Tower was built in 1348 at the apex of fortified walls, and was used to house prisoners of war, but now offers a 360-degree viewing gallery of the city. On a bright day you can even spot the Prince's Islands from this 67-meter high tower. There is also a cafe at the 9th floor, but feel free to skip that entirely. Some of the best nightlife venues that can be found in Istanbul are located in the Galata district. These venues include Istiklal Street, Taksim Square, and Beyoğlu. So, these are the 5 best places to see in Istanbul. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video then subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon.